Hey you, and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to block YouTube on Google Chrome. And for this we go to Google and search here for block site extension. Then click here on the uppermost option and then now click on add to Chrome. Add extension, and right now he will add this extension to our Google Chrome. So right now we click here on this option right here. And now he will send us to the block site right here. Now we click on I accept. And then from now we can add here a website that we want to block. Now we can type in the website, but right now here the most blocked overall website is YouTube. So now we click here on add and we do done, allow. And now he is saying this because probably and definitely they want to earn on you. So now click here on skip for the limited plan, click on skip, click on got it, now next, dismiss, and then throw this one away, and right now it's on our block list. So what will happen now if we click here on the plus icon and we go to YouTube? You will see here that he blocked this website, so YouTube is not possible to load. So this is exactly how you can block YouTube on your Google Chrome browser, and hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please consider subscribing and give this video a like, and then for now, thanks for watching.